Hi, my name is Ravi. I am running a garage and make YouTube videos on automotive diagnostic and repairing stuff. So, today I am going to show you something special for all the tech vloggers and content creators. That is this gimbal for mobile phone, DJI OSMO Mobile SE gimbal. Why gimbal is important for tech video makers like me? I will show you. Normally, not like traveling or action video makers, tech related video makers always need to concentrate on his tech work while focusing the camera on his work. For an instant, when I work on this injector testing machine and film it, I need to concentrate on keep focusing the camera on it and operate the machine too. This is not so easy to do two activities simultaneously using two hands and concentrate for both activities. That is why I bought this DJI OSMO Mobile SE gimbal for make easy my filming part while working. This is pretty good and versatile device that support for mobile phone cameras. It can keep focusing and stabilize the video, even take lots of movement during your work. There are lots of features in this gimbal that can operate by single hand which are pretty versatile. Keep focusing, object tracking, zoom in, zoom out, orientation change, camera rotating and recording start, stop without touching on the mobile phone screen are huge advantage for my works. This gimbal has a convenient handle and separate tripod stand that can use when need. Accordingly, the other user reviews on this gimbal, it has considerable battery life too. I have no experience yet because I haven't used it for longer time. I will let you know when I use it longer time. Anyway, if we can download the DJI Mimo app, we can optimize this gimbal while filming. Okay, I hold a mobile phone on the gimbal and let's start the gimbal. It started and I will show you some more steps here. Do you see that? Just double click and the camera orientation was changed. So easy. Anyway, let's try to film something using this gimbal. I just focusing the injector machine. Last time I did it with the selfie stick as I always did in my previous videos. But the problem I faced always shaky footage and most of the time focusing go out from the object with the selfie stick or hold the mobile phone by hand. But with this gimbal, when I move, it is stabilize the camera and avoid that shakiness. Okay, let's watch the video was recorded using the gimbal. Here you can see that even I take lots of movement, gimbal stabilized the camera and gave us pretty stabilized footages. Therefore, I need less concentration on filming and I can keep moving and keep working for the demonstration. This is what I like because shakiness was a one-off problem in my videos while technical demonstration on car diagnostics and repair. Okay, let's go for an underhood demonstration with the gimbal. Do you see that how stabilize the footage even while walking hold the camera? I really like it. Hope I could make better content with this fantastic tool. Here we are under the hood. Really less shakiness, I can get my movement without big concentration for camera focusing. Another impressive feature on this gimbal is object tracking option. Just focus on any object or specific area on your working environment and just single press on a button located on the behind of gimbal handle. Gimbal will keep focusing itself that object or selected area even you move the camera focusing away from that object. This is amazing. Here I focused and press the button to track off this battery terminal where I am working right now. So watch that even I move my camera, it is being focused the battery terminal. So useful feature for me. And I think this is a must-have tool for a tech vlogger to keep steady and focus in the camera while filming. Look at this. Keep tracking and focus the object I selected even I move the gimbal hold hand. Impressive. When you need to get out of the object tracking, just one press the same button, quick and easy with single hand. Next thing that I always get video footages on scan data analyzing while sitting in the vehicle. I always experience it get out of the focus and shaky. Because of while analyzing the data stream hard to keep concentrate on camera focusing. But look at this. Using this gimbal, I can keep tracking the scanner screen perfectly. Less shakiness and not going out of focus even I get some movement. Fantastic. I love it. Actually, you can find lots of gimbal brands and videos in the YouTube. I just tried to introduce this gimbal for tech vloggers like me around the world for better and quality video making. Thank you for watching.